Morning students, today let us revise the chapter factors and multiples. Okay, in this chapter we already learned about the factors and multiples, common factors, common multiples, and then HCF and LCM, and then prime factorization. Okay, we have to find out the prime factors by using the prime factorization. Okay, at first let us revise the meaning of factors. Okay, what is the meaning of factors? The number which divides the given number exactly. Okay, the number which divides the given number exactly are called the factors. For example, let's say we have to find out the factors of 8. Okay, we have to find out the factors of 8, which means the number which divides the 8 completely. Such numbers we call it as a factors of 8. For example, yeah, 1 divides the 8 exactly. Okay, how many times? 1 8 is 8. So 1 is a factor of 8. And then 2 divides the 8 exactly or not? Yes, 2 divides the 8 exactly. How many times? 2 4s are 8. Okay, so 2 is a factor of 8. And then 3. Let's see. 3 divides the 8 exactly or not? 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 9 is greater than 8. So 3 2s are 6. So we get remainder 2. So 3 does not a factor of 8. Okay, 3 does not divide the 8 exactly. Okay. And then 4 divides the 8 exactly or not? Yes, 4 divides the 8 exactly. 4 2s are 8. 4 is a factor of 8. And then 8 itself is a factor of 8. 8 1s are 8. Okay, 8 is a factor of 8. Okay, the number which divides the given number exactly, that numbers we call it as a factors of 8. Which are the factors of 8? 1 2 4 and 8 are the factors of 8. Okay, next we have to know the meaning of multiples. Okay, what do you mean by multiples? Yeah, multiples is nothing but tables. Okay, yeah, multiples is nothing but tables or the number that multiply by the other natural number. For example, now I'll take 8. I have to find out the multiples of 8. Okay, which are the multiples of 8? Yeah, what is the meaning of multiples of 8? Multiples, the number that multiply by the other natural number. For example, the 8 is multiplied with 1. 1 is a natural number. We get 8. 8 is multiplied by 2. 2 is a natural number. That is 16. Okay, 8 is multiplied by 3. We get 24. And then 8 is multiplied by 4. 36. Okay, like this. Okay, these are all the multiples of 8. Which means multiples is nothing but tables. Okay, 8 is multiplied by 1. 8 1s are 8. 8 is multiplied by 2. 8 2s are 16. And then 8 is multiplied by 3. 8 3s are 24. Sorry, 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Okay, 8 is multiplied by 4. We get 32. 8 4s are 32. And then 8 is multiplied by 5. We get 40. Okay, and then 40 is the multiples of 8 like this, and so on like this. 8 is multiplied by 6 7 8 9 10 etc. Okay, this is the multiples of 8. Okay, the multiples is nothing but the number that multiplied by the other natural number. That numbers we call it as a multiples of the given number. And then factors means the number which divides the given number exactly. Okay, such numbers we call it as a factors of 8. Okay, next we move on to the common factors. Okay, common factors. Okay, common factors. How do we find out the common factors? Let's see. Okay, find the common factors of 8 and 16. Okay, how do we find out the common factors? At first we have to find out the factors of 8. Okay, the factors of 8, and then we have to find out the factors. Okay, factors of 16. After this we have to find out the common factors. Okay, common factors. Okay, let's see. At first we have to find out the factors of 8. Okay, which are the factors of 8? 1 divides the 8 exactly, and then 2 divides the 8 exactly. 2 4s are 8. And then 4 divides the 8 exactly. 4 2s are 8. And then 8 is a factor of 8 is a factor of 8. 8 1s are 8. Okay, these are all the factors of 8. And then we have to find out the factors of 16. Okay, 1 is a factor of every non-zero number. And then 2 divides the 8. 2 8s are 16. And then 3 does not divide the 16 exactly. And then 4 divides the 16 exactly. 4 4s are 16. And then after this 8. Okay, 8 is a factor of 16. 8 2s are 16. Okay, and 16 itself is a factor of 16. 16 ones are 16. Okay, now we have to find out the common factors. Okay, here we having a 1, here also we having a 1, and then 2 2 4, here also having 4, and then here we having a 8, and then here also having 8. Okay, here we having a 4 common factors. Which are the 4 common factors? 1 2 4 and 8 are the common factors of 8 and 16. Okay, thus we find out the common factors. Okay, let's see one more example. Okay, now we have to find out the common factors of 9 and 15. At first we have to find out the factors. Okay, factors of 9. We have to find out the factors of 9. Okay, which are the factors of 9? Yeah, 1 divides the 9. 1 9s are 9, and then 2 does not divide the 9 exactly. So 3 divides the 9 exactly. 3 3s are 9. After this, 9 itself is a factor of 9. 9 1s are 9. Okay, these are 3 are the factors of 9. Now we have to find out the factors of 15. Okay, factors of 15. We have to find out the factors of 15. Which are the factors of 15? 1 is a factor of every non-zero number, and then 2 does not divide the 15 exactly, and then 3 divides the 15 exactly. 3 5s are 15, and then 4 does not divide the 15 exactly. So 5 3s are 15. 5 divides the 15 exactly. Okay, after this 15 divides the 15 exact. 15 divides the 15 exactly. Okay, these 4 are the factors of 15. Now we have to find out the common factors. Okay, common factors of 9 and 15. Here is we having a 1, here also having 1. 1 is a common factor, and then here we having a 3, here also we having 3. Okay, here we having a 9, here we don't have, it does not have a 9. So the common factors are 1 and 3. Okay, thus we find out the common factors. Okay, next we move on to the common multiples. Okay, common multiples. Yeah, which are the how do we find out the common multiples? We know that the multiples is nothing but tables. Okay, let's see one example. Find the common multiples of okay, common multiples of 4 and 5. Okay, now we have to find out the common multiples of 4 and 5. At first we have to find out the multiples of 4. Okay, multiples of 4. Okay, we have to find out the multiples of 4. Okay, okay, so on. Okay, 4 1s are 4. Multiples is nothing but tables. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Okay, and so on. Okay, these are the multiples of 4. Okay, next we have to find out the multiples. Okay, multiples of 5. Okay, we have to find out the multiples of 5. Okay, yeah, at first we have to find out the multiples of 5. It means 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, and 5 6s are 30, and 5 7s are 35, and so on. Okay, these are all the multiples of 5. Okay, now we have to find out the common multiples. Which are the common? Here 4, there is no 4 here, and 12 here, no here. Here we having a 20, here we are also having a 20. Okay, other than 20 there is no common multiples. Okay, yeah, from the common multiples of 4 and 5 is 20, and so on. Okay, common multiples of 4 and 5 is 20. Okay, 20 is the common multiple, and so on. Okay, yeah, thus we find out the common multiples. Okay, next we move on to the LCM and HCF. Okay, LCM and HCF. Okay, LCM is least common multiple. Okay, least common multiple. It means we are at first we have to find out the multiples of given numbers, and then we have to find out the common multiples. Among the common multiples, we have to find out the lowest common multiple. That is the LCM of the given numbers. Okay, first example, find the LCM of 4 and 12. It means we have to find out the first multiples of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, and so on. Okay, yeah, these are all the multiples of 4. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 24, 6 are 24, and 4 7s are 28, and 4 8s are 32, and so on. These are all the multiples of 4. And next we have to find out the multiples of 12. Okay, yeah, these are all the multiples of 12. Now we have to find out the common multiples. Okay, here we having a 12 and 12. 12 is a common multiple. After this, here we having a 24, and here also we having a 24. 24 is the common multiple. Okay, and then 4 9s are 36. Okay, 4 9s are 36. Okay, here we having a 36 and here also we having a 36. Okay, these are all the common multiples. Common multiples are 12, 24, 36 and so on. Okay, yeah, these are all the common multiples. Among these common multiples we have to, yeah, we know that LCM is least common multiple or lowest common multiple. Okay, 12, 24, 36, which is the lowest? 12 is the lowest. Okay, 12 is the lowest common multiple, so LCM is 12. Okay, thus we find out the LCM. Next, HCF means highest common factor. Okay, which means HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor, which means HCF highest common factor. Okay, highest common factor. Okay, let's see how do we find out the HCF of a given numbers. Okay, find the HCF of 24 and 32. Okay, 24 and 32. Okay, now at first we have to find out the factors. Okay, factors of 24. Okay, which are the factors of 24? Let's see. 1 is the factor of 24, and then 2 divides the 24. How many times? 2 12s. Okay, and then 3 divides the 24 exactly or not? Yeah, 3 8s are 24. Okay, so 3 is a factor of 24, and then 4 divides the 24 exactly. 4 6 is 24, and then after the 4, 6 divides the 24 exactly. 6 4s are 24, and then 8 divides the 24. Okay, 8 divides how many times? 8 3s are 24. After this 12 divides the 24. 12 2s are 24, and then 24 itself is the factor of 24. Next we have to find out the factors of 32. Okay, which are the factors of 32? 1 divides the 32 times. Okay, and then 2 divides the 32 exact. 2 divides the 32 exactly. How many times? 16 times. And then 4 divides. Okay, and then now 4 divides the 32. How many times? 4 divides the 8 times. 4 8s are 32, and then 8 divides the 32. 8 4s are 32, and then 16 divides the 32. How many times? 16 2s are 32, and then 32 is itself is a factor of 32. Okay, these are all the factors. Now we have to find out the common factors. Okay, common factors. Which are the common factors? Here we having a 1, here also we having 1. Yeah, 2. After this 4, here we having a 4, and then 8. Yeah, we having a 4 common factors. 1 2 4 and 8. Among these 4, which is the highest? Okay, we know that HCF means highest common factor. Yeah, among these 4, which is highest? 8 is the highest common factor. So HCF is 8. Okay, thus we find out the LCM and HCF. Okay, LCM means least common multiple. LCM means least common multiple, and HCF is highest common factor. Yeah, okay students, in next class we will discuss about the relationship between the HCF and LCM and prime factorization. We have to find out the prime factors by the prime factorization. Thank you.